Unlocking the Mystery, The Witching Hour Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it is mysterious, in the witching hour. This phrase has a rich history and various uses in English, and understanding it can add a magical touch to your language skills. So, let's embark on this mystical journey together and uncover the secrets of the witching hour. The phrase, in the witching hour, refers to a time of night associated with supernatural events. Traditionally, it is believed to be the time when witches, ghosts, and other supernatural beings are most active and powerful. This time is often thought to be at midnight or in the late hours of the night, especially around 3 a.m. The witching hour is enveloped in mystery and is thought to be a peak time for magic and the occurrence of unexplainable phenomena. The term, witching hour, has its roots in folklore and historical beliefs about witchcraft. In times past, people believed that certain times were particularly conducive to dark magic and that the boundary between the natural and supernatural worlds was thinner. This belief made the late-night hours a source of fear and fascination. While the exact origin of the phrase is difficult to pinpoint, its use has been documented for centuries, reflecting the human fascination with the mysteries of the night. In modern times, the phrase, in the witching hour, has been used more broadly to describe any late night or early morning hours when strange or mysterious events are said to occur. It's also popular in literature, movies, and music, often used to evoke a sense of mystery or foreboding. Additionally, in financial markets, witching hour can refer to a specific time when contracts for stocks and options expire, leading to increased volatility. Using in the witching hour in English can add a layer of intrigue to your communication. It's perfect for storytelling, creative writing, or setting a mysterious or spooky scene. For example, you might say, "He claimed to have seen the ghostly apparition in the witching hour, when the rest of the world was asleep." Remember, this phrase is best used in contexts where you want to highlight an air of mystery or the presence of the supernatural. And there you have it, the fascinating tale behind, in the witching hour. We hope this exploration has not only illuminated the meaning and origins of this enigmatic phrase but also inspired you to incorporate it into your own English usage. Whether you're telling stories or simply want to impress with your knowledge of English idioms, remembering the witching hour can add a touch of magic to your language skills. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to our next language adventure together.